If you're experiencing login errors on Etsy, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow these steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. Double check for any typos or accidental spaces. Step 2. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password or suspect it may be incorrect, use the Forgot Your Password link on the login page to reset it. Follow the instructions sent to your email. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes stored data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers, and attempt to log in once more. Step 5. Try a different browser or device. If the problem persists, try accessing Etsy from a different web browser or device. This can help determine if the issue is related to your current setup. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to Etsy's customer support for further assistance.